So one of these donkeys has his dick out. Look at, see that thing? One of the, God. One of those, that donkey has his dick out. You should put that thing away. I'm gonna get demonetized. This video is gonna get demonetized. So you should put that away, mister. Hello, hey there, horsey, how are you doing? We have a donkey right there. There's some goats over here. Oh, hey, we have sheep right there. Three, four. There's 4 sheep over there. Which I have sheep at home. Here's some goats. Quite a bit of goats over there. Goats over there. Goats over there. We have a lot. Let me zoom out. What are these? These are a chicken and some, a peacock and some, I don't know what you call those birds. Whatever. I don't know what you call them. We have some, alpaca and llama. They're pretty much the same thing. Come over here. Some deer. Did you just make that noise? You did, didn't you? Okay. Hey there, Mr. Donkey. How are you doing? Five deer and a donkey.